Hello, everyone. This is Fifth of Night here with Lost Parks continuing Rain World.
Today, we're gonna be going through Sky Island. I wonder if we're gonna find another slug pup at the Karma Gate to farm arrays.
And just pray it doesn't die again.
Oops. Oh, it's wrong.
You threw that at me, bitch.
No, I threw it at the wall and it bounced back and hit you. But,
But we both got ourselves our own little spears now. What happens if I throw a spear at a Karma Gate? What will happen? Will I lose karma or
huh?
I said, what happens if I throw this at a Karma Gate? Will it just bounce off?
Just bounces off.
Oh, I'm stealing my spears.
Can you eat these flower things right here that are
Sure.
jumping by?
Oops. No, just leave it where it is.
Catch. Do not press A.
Okay, just a peaceful walk. Nothing bad will happen. Right? Okay.
I don't trust you with this jump.
Carry me. Hey, look, it's the spear I thrown.
Okay, for the next bit, up until
There's no. Oh,
don't be afraid of these guys. They do nothing.
I was about to say, we literally have better encounters in this. But so far, no enemies. That's. White lizard! Wait, is that white lizard?
Hey, 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 hey. Oh my gosh! What happened there?
Okay, thank goodness. Oh,
Get absolutely
let's just hurry now. Let's just run.
Oh my gosh, those jumps suck. Those jumps suck.
Yeah, definitely. White lizard.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, I remember this. Purple. Wait, no, we can actually kill this with ease. Wait, these flowers actually look beautiful. Do you agree? Oh, wait. Oh, is it dead now? Oh, wait, how is it still alive? Wait, run, 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 run. Let him take the corpse.
I don't like that. I hate you. It's mine.
Wait, is it launched in the ground? Yeah, it's launched into the ground.
Tap down, tap down, tap down. Never mind, you're going through here.
I think the pink lizard's launched in the ground.
He is. He's stuck to the wall.
Okay, I'll just go lay down. You carry me back.
Is he still there? Yeah.
Okay, nope, he got our corpse.
Pulled his body off the wall. You know how creepy that would be?
Yeah. Okay. Is that an item?
Safari.
Okay, so far we're doing good. No lizard. Well, only one lizard encounter.
Oh wait, we're playing Gourmand. Yo.
Yeah, I said we're doing the Gourmand campaign.
I just remember it's in an unlockable that we can get.
Wait, if I remember correctly, we've been this way before, right?
Yeah.
We just gotta do what the opposite we did in season one and go like right or left.
Yeah. We're just taking this hibernation.
Yeah, thankfully no one died.
What do we have to do next?
Wait, what's
I'm
next?
just praying that the what are they?
Okay,
Squid potatoes. Yeah.
we killed both white and purple.
The outlaw. The nomad. I don't know what the outlaw is.
I can always do research later.
I just keep forgetting what you have to do for outlaw. I know nomad you have to go through uh karma gates in a row. What's that? Tap down? Okay. Honestly, I find it great that I can just
Carry me. Wait, is that scavenger up ahead?
you doing here? For come here?
Wait, are scavengers not allowed here?
I've never seen scavengers here before.
Wait, they never come here to farm arrays?
I
Wait, is he after us?
jumped the rock. Alright, can you grab these?
Uh, you grab it.
You have one, eat it.
Wait.
There you go.
Okay, now we just gotta grab one of these fuckers.
What?
Why, is the white one's better?
Yeah. There you go. Let's just hope these guys actually cooperate.
What happens if they don't cooperate?
They just don't do it. I'm just hoping we can actually do this,
Because otherwise we'd be fucked.
okay, I think we can actually do this.
Now for a difficult jump.
That's 2 of 3.
Oh yeah, I forgot there's...
Monster kelp.
What's a monster kelp doing here?
Oh. Okay. That means we're gonna have to do that.
Wait, we gotta kill it?
Looks like your cat's trying to get pizza. Okay.
Hey, I saved the pizza.
Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, monster kelp there? I thought that's Rivulet's thing.
Well, I guess we're wrong.
Gosh, these guys are so annoying. There you go.
I was supposed to say it looks like I almost looks like I ate
Hey,
here.
hey, hey, come here.
But do we have to kill monster kelp?
Wait, good idea, actually.
What's a good idea?
Kill.
But what's the is it's gonna be here for this cycle?
Oh, if it was there for last cycle, it's probably here for this cycle.
You may
Dude,
never
we made that jump twice. Let's go.
you may never know, it could have despawned this time. Yep, it's gone. Never fucking mind, it's back.
Okay, pray for this jump. It worked! Oh my gosh, Cyan Lizard just jumped to his death. Oh my gosh.
What sent it flying? Monster kelp?
Himself. You would believe me, he killed himself. He knew we were here, so. Wait, I wonder if you went for the what? The scary part's over now. No, we just gotta hope we don't die.
Uh-oh.
Okay, they got their food.
So they're gonna leave us alone since I got their food?
Yeah. Also, the noodle flies are gonna be pit. The adult ones are gonna be mad. Hey, now that I'm Spearmaster, I can get the unlock up there.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, the scary part's over at least.
Yeah, but why was monster kelp there? I thought monster kelp only spawns in a certain area.
There is a thing in Rivulet's thing where monster kelp spawns when they normally don't. But I don't remember monster kelp being there. But you know why he went back down?
Why?
It's because he caught a bat fly.
Oh.
Like,
So it only goes away the moment it catches something.
yeah. So like one thing that's rain people think Rain World is right. People think like everything's out to kill you. But no, everything's just out to kill something, to eat something.
Still basically have to kill something.
Yeah. And we're the most tasty ones of all of them. Alright, let's continue.
But are we in the safe zone?
We're in a good safe zone. There's still more jumps, but I'm not scared about them. We don't need a creature to help us.
And I don't need to ride on someone's back for them? That's where I hate trying to jump up this.
Just walk in the middle and hold up.
Up. Is that a blue lizard?
That's an egg bug. I wonder. Just stand in the middle and stop. And then jump, hold up. There you go. Okay. Watch out. Watch out!
Do we need to go that way? What is that? What type of lizard is that? Why did we go so low all of a sudden?
Uh, the mushrooms.
Oh.
Oh, that's Center wings unlocked. Gosh!
And you just killed me.
I didn't realize, but I just gained food from eating you. Or from throwing spear at you.
Come get me. Before anything comes back.
We're gonna die.
Wait, why? Was that a vulture?
Why are you not eating it?
Wait, why are they not eating? Is that cauliflower?
Oh, I can't eat it. Oh. How dumb. I was like, why can't I eat it?
And you had to kill me.
Yeah, it was an accident. I was trying to kill, what, the egg bug? Wait, free food. Egg bug, leave. No!
Wait, did it get me? Where'd he get my body?
Oh my gosh, she got the egg bug and not you.
Hurry back and grab my body.
My gosh. We were so lucky there.
Okay, now we just got to go. Run, run.
No.
Hey, at least I'm alive again.
You're alive again. Hey, that's all that matters. That's all that matters, but I don't like this. What we're
Well, we're going to have to
I barely even made that. Didn't even make that. So
I guess you're going to have to throw your spears first. Great.
you're dead.
We're good. I'm going to go eat his body.
Hey, something to eat. Is all his egg bug stuff? Okay.
Next time, don't kill me. I was about to say, why are you trying to kill that one creature?
No. I mean, he was in the way, but I just wanted to get rid of the steer.
Now let's hurry get out of here before Vulture comes.
Egg bug, you're dead. Go back up. I wonder if there's a yellow lizard up there scaring him, but
Yep, yellow lizards. Wait, did I see yes?
hey, all you yellow lizard. Get
Yeah,
juked.
yeah, they see us. They see us. Hurry and
Get
run.
juked.
Do not underestimate them. I'm willing to bet there's the fourth one.
There we go. We made it!
Okay. Now to continue going up. Right, correct? Alright, never mind.
Yeah, these jumps are definitely harder.
Why are they much harder? It's because I'm heavier?
It's because you're Gourmand.
Wait.
Oh my gosh, that is stupid.
Defeating Gourmand's weight doesn't affect the Spearmaster.
Okay, what do you think might happen?
We may die.
Will there be a slug pop?
No. I'm willing to bet we're gonna die.
Alright, let's see. Is there actually a slug pup down here? Nope.
Nope.
Do we want to go through here, reach the farmer's hibernation, or
Uh, let's check how much time we have left of the cycle.
that's
3 minutes?
a lot. Every two is a minute.
Okay, so we probably have like 3 to 4 minutes left.
Like 10 minutes.
Okay, then I say we get to the next hibernation station and farm a race.
Alright.
Safer for here?
Um, who knows? There may be another blue lizard.
Eh, I know that. I never know how to outrun them.
By now, I can take you out of their mouths. Like I did with the black lizard.
Yeah, we learned a lot from season 1. That, you. I was about to say this almost giving me.
You need to be careful. If you would have landed on me, I would have been dead. Okay, I'm just being on the edge. So you don't accidentally drop down and kill me.
Imagine you still just somehow die.
Drop down. You were jumping towards me. It was jumping towards me like he was like, hey, hey.
For a second, I thought that was a drop for a moment. Wait.
I thought I flew up for a sec. Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Take your body here.
Take my body.
Fuck. And just continue going down?
Go down there. And then drop down this way.
Go this way, then drop?
Yep, drop down. Alright. Just go here and go down.
I didn't
Dude, that is another time where we both kill each other. Or you kill me with the drop thing. Now you see my fear.
of me being
I fear you more than the lizards now.
Because you know I can kill you at a moment's notice by dropping on you.
Yeah.
Okay, thankfully there's no lizards here.
Okay.
Okay.
Down this way.
Oh.
Yeah. I understand pipes are hard to tell.
Yeah, especially when you
Or
can't see
tunnels.
shit.
Like tunnels are hard to see if you can go through things. It's like,
Okay, well, we're gonna probably end this video off here.
yep. Once
Yes.
we get to this hibernation screen.
Yeah, hibernation screen. There we go. We're at the hibernation screen.
Me, egg bug, and 2 pole plants. Or pole mimics.
Yeah.
Alright. We will get an unlockable on the way to Subterranean. But
But still, I hope to see you all next time when we continue the season 2.